Hello children, welcome to Narayana Life Classes. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. So today's subject is general awareness and our topic for today is birds, and your home assignment is in Practica page number 7. So children, bring your notebook and let us open page number 7. What do you see? Yes, birds. So what we have to do? Ma'am is going to read the instructions for you. Take the correct picture for the given sentence. I am the national bird of India. So children, which bird is our national bird? Yes, it's a peacock. So you have to tick inside this box. Next, I am green in color and I have a red beak. So children, which bird is green in color and it has got red beak? Yes, correct. It's a parrot. So you have to tick inside the box. Next, I say quack quack. Mostly I live in water. So children, which bird says quack quack? Yes, correct. It's a duck. So you have to tick inside this box. Next, I lay eggs. Many of you eat my eggs. Yes, children. Which bird give us eggs and we eat? Correct. It's a hen. So we will tick inside this box. I hope children you have understood and you will do the same as ma'am has done. Okay. We will meet again. Take care. Bye-bye.